as promised, I am locked. So no matter what, I'm not losing that trade. No matter what, I come out with profit on that trade. Hold on, probably it's too close to protect, especially 12 minutes to opening bell. So now you're out of risk. There's no more risk. You should have no more risk in theory, and you're all upside.
As far as your 3 to 5% per day, if you were to average 4% per day for 200 trading days, which gives you some time off. If you start with $1,000, you'd have $2.5 million.
Yeah, if you start with $1,000, you'd have 2.5 million. If you started with $20,000, $50,000, like I said, you could buy a country. A country, guys. That's crazy, isn't it?
It'd be a small country.
Yeah, a small country.
You'd have $63 billion.
63 billion. I can get.
You would not be able to take the size of trades that you would need to compound that. Not just most brokers locking out. You'd have to piecemeal in, or you'd be moving the market.
Even with the high frequency algos and stuff that trade, you think so?
I think you'd have to slowly get in. You'd have to change the way you trade to more of the way the higher frequency algorithms do it. You know, where they have algos that they hand over, say, I need to move $1 billion. And the algos are responsible for funneling that money into the market.
Very, very slowly too.
Yeah. Because they don't want to force their hand, and cause prices to go up or go down and make the price worse for them.
Well, fine. Maybe you can get a small island or something, but either way, if you could do like 4% in a day consistently with a larger amount of money, even a moderate amount of money for that first 6 months, and then just recycle.
Oh, you reach a point where you wouldn't even care anymore.
You don't care anymore. That's correct. Just no care. No more cares. I am not at that point, guys. I'm not at the point where I just don't care anymore. And for that, actually, I'm kind of grateful.
Yep. And Robert actually made a good point. He said on 100K, that's 4K per day. So you could just withdraw all of your gains from a certain percentage if you're getting your 3 to 5%, you could still bank a whole bunch of money and put it in something that isn't risky and not try to grow it forever.
Yeah, and even $1,000 a day, 200,000, 2,000. That's not bad, you guys. On 100K, that's after fees and everything. Cut it in half a couple of times. Invest in a couple of rental properties or places around the world or Airbnbs or whatever your poison is, and then you're fine.